Hi guys, let's quickly go into this makeup tutorial you guys requested, and now you have it. I start by priming my face and then I go ahead and define my eyebrows using the LA pencil dark brown. I start from the tail to have guidance on the exact spot where my eyebrow shapes the most. Then I go ahead with my concealer to clean my eyebrows. Doing it as carefully as possible. You can use any flat brush to do this step. Then I go ahead and blend. After this step, I kind of just brush it out and highlight the tail using the LA Curl pencil dark. Then I go in with my concealer under my eyes. I apply just that tiny bit, guys. I'm not a too much product type of person, but if you love a lot of product, you can put more than that quantity, it's still fine. Then apply my setting spray. At this point, I went ahead with my foundation from Fenty Beauty. I just put like 2 pumps on my cheek, 2 pumps under my chin and my forehead, and that's it. Then I went ahead and blended it. After blending, I apply again my concealer under my eyes, just a tiny little bit, and blend again. After blending it, I went in with my blush from NARS. I also use it on top of my eyelashes. Blend. Then I went in with my translucent powder under my eyes, on my forehead, and under my chin. I use my beauty sponge to blend it out. This sponge is from MAC. Then my L'Oreal translucent powder, just to make everything look more natural. Blend it out. I went again with my sponge under my eyes, just to make sure everything is smooth. Then at this point, I use my mascara to kind of brush out my eyelashes. You can go ahead at this point with your eyelashes, artificial eyelashes, if you are the eyelashes type of person. I stopped doing that. So I went ahead and applied I defined my lips using the LA Curl pencil dark. Then I went in with my nude lipstick and then lip gloss. I kind of defined my natural spots on my face just to make it look more natural. At this point, look at how natural that looks, guys. I am not a too much makeup kind of person. This is the type of makeup that I really like. Went ahead and took out my hair, and here's the final look. What do you think? Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.